Good morning, everyone. We are back with another Ask an Attorney segment here with Mike Kuna from Kuna Law Firm PLLC. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning.
All right, so today's question is, Dear Mike, me and my sorority sisters were sitting in a bar when some girl came over and started arguing with one of my sisters about her boyfriend. A few hours later, when we left the bar, that other girl attacked my sorority sister. The problem is that my sorority sister won the fight, and the cops ended up arresting both. How can we prove to the cops it was self-defense? I mean, we all saw it. Thank you. So I know that you're going to create another thing here for me. What is it?
Well, Jillian, today you're going to be a sorority girl.
Okay, that's not bad.
But unlike other sorority girls, you're going to be a drunk, a bully, and a thug.
Okay.
So
a complete resume. All right.
Yes, and it's expanding, so
Yeah.
be careful. Look, there are three types of assaults that we need to discuss here. The lowest one is a misdemeanor B, the middle one is going to be a misdemeanor A, and the worst one is a felony C. The penalties are going to range anywhere from 30 days in jail to 5 years imprisonment. So as you can see, depending on the level of offense, the consequences can be very severe. The difference between the offenses, Jillian, is the amount of damage you cause to the victim.
Okay, so if I'm a bully and thug, I'm probably looking at 5 years.
Which is dangerous, because nobody wants a felony on their record.
Right, right.
However, I do have good news for you, Jillian.
Okay.
Self-defense is an actual defense. Did you know that?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
However, it has limitations. First, the force used in a self-defense has to be necessary in order to stop the actual attack. Second, it has to be proportionate to the level of aggression. Also, there has to be a mental aspect in a self-defense in which the person who is committing the self-defense actually needs to believe that they're in a situation that requires self-defense. Are we good till now?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. Now let's discuss the actual litigation issues that may arise. In a criminal case, the state has to prove beyond any reasonable doubt that the crime has been committed. If you use the defense of self-defense, the state also has to disprove beyond a reasonable doubt that a self-defense has been committed. Therefore, it's a complex legal issue that complicates the state's case. And as such, it can be used very actively in order to defend Jillian here from 5 years imprisonment.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that defense.
Indeed. How can I use self-defense in litigation proceedings? First, I can use it in order to win a trial, because both the jury instructions and the state's case is going to be more complicated to prove. So that may give me an opportunity for an acquittal. Also, I can use that in order for me to negotiate more firmly with the prosecutor, because we all know prosecutors do not like losing cases, and the worst thing prosecutors don't like is to actually win a case and get a very small penalty. For example, if the maximum penalty is 5 years imprisonment, but the end result is going to be just supervised probation. Also, we therefore need to understand that even if we lost the trial, at the stage where the judge is going to give the verdict, prior to that, we can give our reasoning why we shouldn't get the maximum penalty, because some of the conduct conducted during the self-defense can actually be justifiable. Also, we have to remember that there are complications in cases like that due to Marsy's Law, which gives rights to victims. However, in our law firm, we deal with these cases daily. And as you know, Jillian, it's not the first time I'm getting you out of trouble.
Yeah, no kidding. With this resume you're building, I'm gonna need you on my phone at all times.
So call me directly. Let's talk about this in length. Let me see the evidence. Let me file the proper motions with the state, and then we can see what we can do with this case. 701-404-7768.
All right, beautiful. And if it's busy, it's because I'm calling. But if you have a legal question you'd like to ask Mike, you can visit our website at valleynewslive.com and click on the Ask an Attorney tab. We have lots more North Dakota Today coming up right after the break.